So now we know what bits to work on, yeah? Down into second gear for me. Look over there. Anything coming? That's it. Bring that clutch back up. A little bit of gas. And left mirror, left indicator on the gas. Let's go. Fast out. Slow in, fast out.
Oh, you found my arch nemesis, so yeah.
It's simple. If it's something complicated in front of you, you're looking through that windscreen, okay, and you see something complicated or something you don't like, what's the best thing to do? Go faster, or there we go. Now then, super important on this roundabout to stay in the left, okay?
Slow down.
That's it. Down into second gear before we get there. Now then, there's a load of shit on the floor. He's not coming this way. Let's go, stay in the left. That's a little bit of gas, gas, gas. Follow the DPD van. That's it. Our indicator switched itself off. Did you notice halfway? Follow the DPD van. Let's go.
No, I did not notice. I was
concentrated on the other 10 million things you had to do.
I think I struggled to focus on 100 million things.
Well, if we can narrow that down to 6 or 7 things, we'll be laughing. Okay?
Yeah.
Keep following the road ahead, please.
Down to second.
That's right. Have a quick scan over there. Look at where you're going. Down into second gear. That's it. Have a little look at where that black car's going. See his indicator? There we go. Let's go. There we go. Decision made. Even before we got to the roundabout, because we were looking, yeah? That's it. Keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving. Now make sure there's nobody in the outside lane first. That's it. That's priority number 1. Yeah?
Out of curiosity, what's the max speed on a roundabout?
Depends on the size of the roundabout.
Okay, that roundabout there, yeah?
That roundabout there, about 20-ish. Okay?
20-ish,
It's quite a big roundabout. Yeah? It's on a 60.
When you're on the middle of the roundabout about to leave, is there a speed limit?
There is no actual speed limit, okay? It depends on the speed limit of the road. But on a 60, the speed limit there is 60. But you couldn't do 60, it'd be impossible. We'd end up upside down in the field. We're going left. That's it. What gear are you going to choose before we get to the junction? And are we going to bring the speed down before we get to the junction? That's it, clutches up, well done. Nice. And beautiful. Nice speed selection. You popped it into second gear with the clutch back up before we got to the turning, which is perfect. Congratulations. Easy, Tiger.
So how far away were them people when I was coming around the corner, would you say?
They were walking, there was cars parked in front of us, yeah? They were walking just behind the cars, okay? Obviously I seen them, and I seen that car with the reversing lights on. It wasn't moving, but the reversing lights were on, so you need to be aware of it, yeah?
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely would it I would have killed them?
If you'd run over them, about 9 out of 10 chance they would be dead. Okay? Keeping us a little bit closer to the left.
Now I'm just thinking, should I go home with a guilty conscience or not?
Next time we do it, what are you going to do?
Go slow.
That's all you had to do.
And don't worry so much about the curve as you should worry about people and the cars.
People are your top priority, but you'll see everybody and everything if you slow it down.
Yeah, but if I didn't know about the curve, I'd have crashed into that curve, wouldn't I?
The back wheel would have gone over it, yeah? Which you cannot do. You cannot go onto curbs.
In a sharp curve, yeah. Can you tell how much that curve's been drilled into my head, yeah?
About 3 months ago, the company that owns that car park actually put a sign there It lasted about an hour and somebody ran over it.
I'm surprised.
So I'll close the book.
Yeah.
That's the end of the driving test, okay?
And she failed with a capital F.
About 4 times you failed. Ooh, I need to write down on that sheet. So we'll use that sheet again next time.
Yeah, so hill start, car parking, speed, on entrances,
Next,
speed,
I've written next car park in capital letters.
and speed approaching roundabouts. But I could drive!
I can fly a plane, I can't land it.
Exactly, it's something, eh? It's something, it could be worse.
I've done 16 hours flight training and I can take off in a plane. I can fly you to anywhere you want as long as we've got enough fuel. The only problem is
Are we going that way or not?
we're going left. Clutch down into second. Clutch down into second. Going left. That's it. That's it. Clutch down into first. Clutch down into first. Turn the steering wheel. Turn the steering wheel. Turn the steering wheel. Turn the steering wheel.
What the fuck are
That's
you
it.
doing to me?
There we
You said
go.
second.
There we go.
I swear you're trying to kill me of an early heart
Second
attack.
gear. First entrance, second gear. Never mind.
Eh? No, I'm just confused. You said second, changed to second, we changed to
Yeah.
second.
But then the speed kept dropping down.
Oh, okay.
It dropped down to below where second was. We'd gone into first gear speed.
Okay, see, that's what happens when I listen to you. If I'm focused on the speed, I'm fine.
Well, best thing to do is don't listen to me.
Yeah, I'm just not gonna.
Right, what's that truck doing?
That's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna
That's it,
stop.
so just
Oh, this car was supposed to be.
stop. There's enough space there for you. There we go. What gear are you going to set off in?
First.
Okay.
Save it first. You better not be parking, are you?
Right,
You're
dear.
reversing to left lane.
There we go. Off the brake, on the gas. Find the bite point. Nope, too much.
Yep.
Press the brake, start the car, just half a ton, leave it in first, that's it. Off the brake, on the gas. Off the brake, on the gas, find the bite point. I'd rather too much gas than not enough. And we're going left.